40,000 miles. Looks like it's just got a rotor fab.
All right, what's your gas?
540.
540. Really? I'm gonna go 515.
Okay. Manual, right?
Yeah.
Alright, 5th gen.
God, you kill me with anticipation, Garrett. You flick it on and you have that fucking palm and you stare at me. I can tell you're trying to think of how to start it.
What are you doing here?
We are doing an RPM stage 1 package. Headers, pulley, injectors, catch can. Alright, it's burn fab, so I need to do that. That did a bug on there.
Yeah, I was gonna say it was just a giant bug on the intake.
It's that fast. It doesn't have time to get away. What the? Yeah, so
This thing's got like 40k miles.
somewhere on there. Yeah, I really appreciate it. Someone will come in getting 2650.
5th gen would come and get it, or a CTSV.
Yeah. Any LSA powered car and wants 2650, I urge you. Send it on over. I'll give you a nice price. I acquired some more parts.
Nice.
Got a tensioner and bracket. Still trying to find the V2 power steering, pulley, tensioner, and alternator bracket.
Nice.
Other than that, I need a
Blower.
I need louder. ZL1 AC compressor bracket.
You gonna hit a boost district? They're fucking
No,
sick.
I'm not
They're
hitting
sick
up.
heat exchanger?
I'm not hitting up.
Why not?
I already got an OE exchanger. Once that crap's
That's
out,
gay.
I'll go get one of the fans.
That's gay.
Need to get injectors, fuel system, all that stuff. More ways to go. I'll feel a lot better once I get a pulley for that blower. Forgot about that.
Do you like ever go stand out in front of your car, like put your lid on top of your engine and like just imagine like the boost you could have?
I go home and I just sit it there.
You sit your ZL1 lid on there.
Photoshop it. I just kind of blur out around it. I just do this. I go. Oh, that was a good one, Gary. I will say that was funny. Yeah, I'm tired of having it slide around on my trunk. Every time I take a hard turn, I gotta get the fuck out of there. Anyway.
You doing pulley on this too, you said?
Yeah, 2.5.
Cool.
2.55 or 2.5?
Bring her up 2-3 pounds of boost.
2.55. Stock leverage on 10 50s. Get a couple more pounds of boost in her. Get a little more pep in the step. More kick in the keister. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, this one's already been reinforced.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. I'm an idiot. Look at it. Honestly, I just started ripping it out.
Nice.
Good for him. He's one step ahead of the game.
Surprising to see on stock. Like a stock setup pretty much too, that he already had it reinforced. But to be fair, we've pulled apart stock setups before and seen bricks partially collapsed. So it's not a bad idea to do even if you're on a completely stock setup.
Yeah.
Golden,
Tony boy.
you like that movie?
Of course I like that movie.
Kyle originally looked as brick, thought it was reinforced, but Matt went and took a look at it and saw that they didn't weld the middle.
Probably the most important part, if I'm concerned.
Yeah.
I mean, that's where they cave in, so. I'm gonna go ahead and finish welding this up.
And it looks like they bought the little pre-cut things. And
Yeah, it definitely was like a pre-cut kit, probably.
And it's got holes for you to weld in the middle, but I guess whoever was doing it didn't know. So Matt will go fix that up, and then he'll show it when he's done. Yeah, it's crazy how much bigger the aftermarket pipe is in comparison.
No way it's like that. It's not even like that.
Unless it's just a big one by the fucking.
Yeah, there's still air pockets in it, so it just shut off again.
Yeah, it only stays on for like 10 seconds or something. A key on that thing.
I thought it's supposed to stay on indefinitely.
Unless it stays on indefinitely if it sees fluid.
Well, yeah, when it's not airlocked, it'll definitely stay on.
We're at 2012 ZL1. We did basically our stage 1, 2. So we did. Sorry, I'm tired. We did 255 pulley, ID 1050X's, solid isolator. We did 2-inch stainless works headers with cats, reinforced the brick, Motion Raceworks catch can, and an oil change. Let's see what we got. This baseline 544, and it just made 598. It made baseline 544, 537. It just made 598, 609. First pull. So. $598. Garrett sold his car. He's a pussy. I'm just telling them how you sold your car because you're a pussy. Yeah, you know. He's carless at the moment. $610, $600. Not bad. Picked up like 60 horsepower already off pulley and headers. Stock, it made 9.5 pounds, and it makes right around 13 pounds now. So picked up like 3.5 pounds of boost. We'll let this thing cool and we'll be back. All right, let this thing cool for over lunch, so like an hour. Final pull, and then this thing is donezo. I'll do 2 pulls. $621, $616. I'm gonna make one more. $614, $606. So this thing picked up, what did it baseline? 544. So 56 plus 21, 77. And I don't remember torque, but either way, that's good for a pulley and headers and a tune. Pretty stout. Should make it a much more fun car now. Couple little mods, a little bit of horsepower, one step at a time. Later.